Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a timer for your YouTube Shorts videos. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the YouTube app, then go to the plus icon in the middle of the screen on the bottom, and then go to create a short. Now, when you open this tab, to set a timer, you just have to go to the top right corner of the screen and you will see this little timer icon here, and it's going to open up the timer menu. And from here, you have a few options to start your timer. You can set your timer to 3 seconds, 10 seconds, or 20 seconds. And you can also set the time that the timer should record. So if you want to record only like 5 seconds, you can set it to 5 seconds and start the timer. It's going to count down from 3 to 1, and it's going to start recording for the time period, 5 seconds. And obviously you can set the timer to 10, 20, and you can set the recording to the amount of time that you want. So let's say I'm going to record a few seconds in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And that's pretty much it. It recorded that short time period. So I think this is a very useful tool, and it can enable your creativity. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.